Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll see the Q2 FY21 results of Mindtree Limited, one of our major software companies. Mindtree Limited is a CMMI Level 5 International Information Technology consulting and implementation company. It has two units: product engineering service and IT service. Started in 1999 by 10 industry professionals from Cambridge Technology Partners, Lucent Technologies, and Wipro. Currently co-headquartered in Warren, New Jersey and Bangalore, India. Warren, New Jersey and Bangalore, India. So three development centers are there in India and 15 offices in Asia, Europe and United States. The company is also engaged in the business of BFSI, high-tech travel and transportation. Because almost all software companies are engaged in all these things. Management: Anil Kumar Manibhai Nayak. Anil Kumar Manibhai Nayak, non-executive chairman. Non-executive vice chairman is Sekharipuram Narayanan Subramanian. Sekharipuram Narayanan Subramanian is the non-executive vice chairman. Managing director and CEO is Debashish Chatterjee. Debashish Chatterjee is the managing director and CEO. Now let us see the quarterly results. Net sales are 1,926 crores of rupees in Q2. Slightly less in Q1, 1,909 crores. And slightly less in Q2 of last year, 1,914 crores. So approximately flat. Net sales are year-on-year increase is 0.61%, quarter-on-quarter increase is 0.9%. Latest is 1,926 crores Q2. So sales have not increased. A final net profit after everything, tax everything, 253.7 crores. 253.7 crores. Previous quarter 213 crores, year ago quarter 135 crores. So 88% increase year on year and 19% increase quarter on quarter. So profit has increased, net profit has increased. Which means profit margins have improved. Sales are flat. Equity share capital is 164.7 crores. Basic EPS on 10 rupees share is 15.41 rupees. Previous quarter 12.94 and year ago quarter 8.2. So here also 88% increase year on year and 19% increase quarter on quarter. Market price is around 1,427 rupees. So price earning based on this market price and this EPS is 23. 23 is not bad, not low, not high. Volumes are quite good. So buying and selling is easy in Mindtree. Now let's also take a look at annual results of the last 5 years. March 2016 to March 2020. Sales in March 2016 were 4,673 crores. 4,673 crores. From there it improved. Next year to 5,236. Next year 5,462. Still next year 7,021. And last year, that is March 2020 year, 7,764 crores. So 4,673 crores 5 years ago to 7,764 crores in March 2020. So impressive improvement in sales. So last 5 years improvement is quite good. Last 5 quarters improvement is flat. 5 years improvement is good. Net profit increase is there, but not very impressive. 552 crores 5 years ago, now 630 crores March 2020. So 550 crores to 630 crores. In fact, March 2019, 754 crores was there. So net profit had declined in the latest quarter, latest year. Now, cash flows, if you look at that in March 20 year, operating activities has generated 825 crores. 5 years ago, it was just 421. Investing activities minus, of course, as always. But last year investing activities was seems to be dull with just 22 crores. Yeah, previous year 193 crores was there. Investing activities are good, though it is minus. Financing activities, so here it is high, 696 crores. So probably they have repaid some debt or something like that, we don't know. Net cash flow is 135 crores. That is good. Earlier it was minus. Now, if you look at the ratios, the basic EPS is in a range. So, 33 rupees 5 years ago to 38 rupees in March 2020 year. Book value has increased from 144 rupees per share to 191.8 per share. Dividend last year 33 rupees they had given, but latest year only 13 rupees they have given. Face value is of course 10 rupees. Gross profit margin has been in a range. 5 years ago it was 19 rupees, 19%. Now it is 15%. Operating profit margin 16% to 11% decline. Net profit margin has declined from 12% to 8%. So margins have come down slightly. But latest quarter margin has improved slightly. You have seen that. Return on net worth 23% to 20%. 23% to 20%, not bad. Return on net worth. ROCE 22 for 6 years ago, 23 now, not bad. Return on assets from 17% to 12%. Okay, still good. Debt equity ratio, there is no debt. So zero debt company. Interest coverage ratio is 16.67. Then 3-year CAGR on sales percentage is 14%. Not bad, but it has declined from 25.54% 5 years ago. The 3-year CAGR net profit has declined from 18% to 15%. Now, let us also take a look at the historical prices last 3 years. 3 years before, the price was 485, now around 1560, something like that. So, in the last 3 years, the price has improved to 222%. So, multi-bagger in 3 years. But 2 years ago, the price was 960. So, compared to that, the improvement is around 63%. 1 year ago, the price was lower at 733 rupees. It had come down. So from 733, now it has again come back to 1,300, 1,500 odd. So in 1 year also more than 100% improvement is there in price. 3 months before, the price was 978. From there is an improvement of 59%. So prices have been increasing. Market prices have been increasing reasonably well during the last 3 years, but topsy-turvy. But improvement is there. Now, shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters hold 67.59%. It has come down. Previous quarter it was 73.49, and now it is 67.59. So there has been an insider sale of promoter equity. Pledging is of course nil. DIA sold 13.61%. Financial institutions almost nil. Insurance companies about 3%. Mutual funds 8.66%. Other DIA is 1.87%, and so on. So shareholding pattern is not bad, but compared to last quarter, this current quarter, there have been some sales by some insiders, it seems. So promoter equity has come down drastically. We don't know the reason why they have sold. They might have sold for some good purpose also, but it was sold. But there is no pledge, no debt. Mindtree is a no pledge, no debt company. Insider sale was there of equity. Market cap is around 23,511 crore. Price earning last year was 31. Book value is 191. Dividend payment was 130%. Industry price earning is 28.84%. Price to book is 7.45. So net cash flow has risen. Strength, that is a strength. And cash from operating activity has risen. Cash from operating activity has risen. We have seen that. And net cash flow also has risen. So trailing 12 months EPS growth is reasonably good. Net profit and net profit margin have increased in the quarter. No debt. Net profits have been increasing, but the sales have not been increasing. So cash generating ability in the core business is good. Zero promoter pledge. So it is price is near 52-week high. The weakness is people have sold inside. Some promoters have sold their equity, decreased their shareholding. Of course, brokers' recommendations are reasonably good. So the technical rating, if you see, it is rather bullish. So that is where Mindtree stands. Mindtree has potential, but it has to improve. Of course, there are very good latest deals struck, but it has to improve on that. If the deals improve, Mindtree's performance in the coming quarters will improve very well. So that deal, they have to concentrate on that. So Mindtree is another good company, but let us watch it. Right now it's okay. I won't say it's great, but it is okay. Thank you for listening to me.